everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to update Roblox application. Now to do that, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you are using the Apple device, you need to go to the App Store. So open the Play Store on your phone device, and there on the search bar you type in Roblox and tap on search. There on the Roblox application, you can see the currently I have play option, but if the Roblox is not up to date or it's an older version, you will have the update option instead of play over here on the blue text box. And there you tap on update and the application Roblox will be updated to its latest version. So this is the way how you can update Roblox on Android. In iOS, you just go to the App Store and search for the Roblox application, and there you will have the option to update as well. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.